Hi. See, everyone says that if you want something, just be positive about it and universe will give you whatever you want. Just visualize it. Okay, my mic is on. Just visualize it, script it down and magically it will happen to you. But if that is true, then why don't millions of people who manifest every single day don't get all of their manifestation? What if I say that manifestation isn't a magic, it's a psychology and universe is not changing, it's you who is changing. So today I'll share all the secrets of manifestation and how it actually works, and it will literally change your look, how you used to see manifestation and all that. So let's first see what manifestation actually is. See, for example, there are two people and both want to start a business. One one thinks that, I know that it will fail. I know it will fail. And the other thinks that I don't know how, but I'll make it work. I'll figure it out. Now tell me, who is more likely to start a business and who is more likely to keep going after failing many times? Exactly, the one who is ready to put the work. Even he don't know how he will do it, but he said he's figure it out. Because जब तक तुम रास्ते में चलोगे नहीं तुम्हें रास्ता नहीं दिखेगा ना. You have to put work. See, their belief change their behavior, and that behavior will change their future. One believes that if he'll start, he'll fail, so he didn't start. But the other thought that I don't know how, but I'll figure it out. So that's manifestation. You have a thought, you'll keep going, and you keep manifesting that I'll have this, and you also put action for that. That's manifestation. That's no magic. No, universe didn't thought that, okay, I feel I want to reward one person who will be okay, it will be you. No. If you put action, manifestation will come true. And to be honest, universe language is repetition. The work you do repeatedly, the mindset you have repeatedly. Now you can change your mindset accordingly how you evolve, but the goal should be intact. Now question two is, why people feel that manifestation is a magic and is something so fascinating to know. I'll tell you. So it's not magic. We human have a reticular activating system called RAS in our brain, which filters millions of information every day and only shows that information which it thinks it is important for us. Because our brain cannot process all this information every day. So it filters out which information is not needed and only shows what it is important for you. So if at times you forget things, your mind thinks that it's not that important. Let it go. Actually, that happens. So reticular activating system is, for example, if you want to buy a red car, or let's say if you want to buy a brand of car, you will see more of that car on road and everywhere. Not because the car suddenly appeared. The cars were already there, but your focus changed. Your mind now thinks that, I wanted to buy that car. See that there is that car. That is that car. So your brain just change your focus. And the same thing happens with your goals too. See, for example, if you want to become a therapist, now your brain will start noticing more of such opportunities where you can literally align with that. The opportunities were always there, but your brain start noticing them now because you want to do that. For example, if you want to do any business, but you have no idea, when you go out, you will see millions of business ideas. So business ideas were always there. Business were always going, but you started noticing them because your brain thinks it is important for you right now to see all this. That's why people say, I am checking my mic if it is on or not because last time I recorded whole video and my mic was off. Literally. Okay. So that's why people say that two people in a same road or in the same situation have different perspective. They see things what they actually feels it is important for them. So that's why sometimes it feels like it's magical because you find so many opportunities. But it's all because of your brain. How beautifully God have made our brain. Literally. Now question three is, why manifestation doesn't work for all people? So this is where most of people get confused because they think that dreaming and doing is equal, but all they do is dream. They say affirmations daily, they write notebooks of whatever goals they want to have, and then they close the notebook and they start or continue living their old simple life. Nothing changes because their identity didn't change, their skill set didn't change, they didn't change anything. Universe will not do your work for you. It's you have to put your work. It's your belief, it's your mindset, it's your self trust that you can achieve anything. Fourth question is psychology of becoming. So in this, instead of asking how do I manifest 1 crore, ask who is the person who is capable enough to earn or make 1 crore. And that question changes everything. So maybe that person can be like he reads every day, he wakes up consistently, he learns sales, he improves his communication, he exercises every day, and he tries to become good at every skill he picks up. See, manifestation isn't about changing your reality overnight. It's about changing your identity until reality catches up. That's manifestation. Peak. And fifth question is how to manifest in the right way. So here's the process. Step one is know exactly what you want. Not that I want to become successful. Instead, be clarify what you want to be successful in. Universe loves clarity, and even your brain works better with clarity. Step two is visualize the process. Not only just standing on the stage, but trying, feeling, and keep trying again. Even imagine you practicing on stage, learning on stage, the behind the scenes. Visualize everything, not only the destination, the practice to be there. Step three is become that identity today. Like ask yourself if I would be that person, what I would be doing today, and do that. Step four is take one uncomfortable action every single day, whether it's like one chapter, one workout, one email, one video, because momentum beats motivation every single day, anytime. Step five is detach from the timeline. Most of people quit because they think that changes will happen only in these 30 days. And in the end, I would like to add that maybe manifestation is not about convincing universe that, universe, I deserve, I am more deserving person for this and I deserve all the blessings and all this. Maybe it's about convincing yourself that you are deserving. And once you believe in yourself and once you feel that, I deserve good things in life, and things will start appearing. Because once you believe that, it changes your decision, your action, which changes your future. And if this video helped you or changed your look in for manifestation, then share it with your friends, make them understand what manifestation actually is. And my name is Shreya. Thank you so much for watching the video until the end, and see you until the next time. Until then, bye, and I love you so much.